downtown San Diego. We're trying out a new way to get around town. This is an app that you can download. Bird is a company with an electric scooter. We're going to try it out. All right, check it out.
Yeah.
Oh, this is great.
That'll be my like.
I think it helps if you skateboarded as a kid.
Melissa. You haven't said anything about why.
Hey, we're here because we're looking for some last mile, first mile connections. We think this might be a good thing to bring to our city. Of Irvine. City of Irvine, of course. All right, thanks. We're going to ride off. This would be great in the Great Park, but we're looking at all kinds of options for improving transit in our city, and this is a way. This might be an option. We're going to check it out. Hope to meet with Bird in the next couple weeks.